Welcome. If you've ever dreamed of renting a yacht in France, but aren't sure how to get started, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm sharing my personal experience on how to book a yacht, guiding you through each step in a clear, easy-to-follow way. Whether you're looking to cruise along the French Riviera or explore another beautiful part of France by sea, this guide covers the essentials for making the dream a reality. First, start by choosing your yacht. The platform offers a variety of vessels, from sleek sailing yachts to luxurious motor yachts. To make your selection easier, you can filter based on size, type, and amenities. I personally found this feature helpful, since it allowed me to tailor my choice to fit my trip's requirements. I also advise checking each yacht's details carefully, including its capacity, crew availability, and any special features like onboard kitchens, cabins, or water sports equipment. Once you have a few yachts in mind, it's time to check availability and pricing. The website's transparent pricing feature was particularly useful, as I could see what different yachts would cost for the dates I had in mind. For those on a budget, sorting yachts by price range can help you find more affordable options. Keep in mind, though, the yacht prices in France vary widely based on the season and location. After selecting your preferred yacht, it's time to review the booking terms and conditions. The site provides comprehensive information on cancellation policies, fuel charges, and additional costs, like crew tips or docking fees. Make sure to go through this information to avoid any surprises later. At this stage, I also recommend reviewing the cancellation policy, especially if your travel dates are uncertain. Midway through the booking process, take a moment to check out the link in my description if you're ready to book your yacht now. The platform also lets you communicate directly with the yacht's owner or management. This feature is great if you have specific questions about the yacht or need to make special arrangements. In my experience, the direct chat was useful for asking about additional services, such as catering, or simply understanding the route options better. Payment is straightforward and secure, with several options available. After completing payment, you'll receive a booking confirmation that includes all essential details about the yacht, departure location, and contact information. If any changes arise, you'll be notified in advance, which I found to be reassuring, especially for a first-time renter. In summary, booking a yacht in France through this platform is user-friendly, with features designed to simplify your experience and provide flexible choices to fit any budget. Don't forget to check out the booking link in my description for a smooth start to your own yachty adventure. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and get ready for more travel tips and tutorials.